In this video, I'm going to talk about some best practices for using EdPuzzle to create assignments. So right now I am in the EdPuzzle platform. I did not come here through Canvas. I just went straight to EdPuzzle and logged in using my Kershaw County School District email account. And what I want to talk about is just three best practices that we need to always be using in our classroom when we're going to use an EdPuzzle video as an assignment. First, and this should go without saying, but it's amazing to me the number of times that I have seen this happen, that teachers will assign the video with some questions just by reading the title and without watching the video. So that's my first best practice. Always watch the video ahead of time. There are several reasons you need to do that. First, you need to make sure that what is the content that is in the video is aligned with your state standards. We're not just giving these videos to take up time in class so that we as teachers can do something else. We are doing it as a teaching tool, as a review tool, or maybe as a skill enhancement tool. And that only helps us when the video is aligned with state standards. So read your standard, make sure the content and the questions in the video match that standard or are aligned with that standard. The second thing you should consider doing is consider using an EdPuzzle original. The reason that these give us an extra layer of confidence is that they are aligned with state standards. So here I have just clicked over here on the left-hand side under the navigation menu, EdPuzzle Originals. I want to search for a video, and let's say I want one on solving quadratic equations. You can see that I've typed that in before, so now all I have to do is click on it and search. And it's going to bring up these first two videos. You'll notice have the EdPuzzle Original button. So I can have confidence that those two are aligned with the standards. The first one is aligned with the standard of solving quadratic equations by factoring trinomials when the leading coefficient is 1, I believe. And then the second one is solving quadratic equations using the quadratic formula. If you're going to use another video, make sure you watch it. And the third best practice that we should use when we are creating videos for use or when we are looking for a video to use in EdPuzzle is to consider creating your own. Either consider creating a video and then uploading the link into the EdPuzzle platform, or you can upload it to a YouTube channel and then bring it over from there, or go to YouTube and find a video that you would like to use that is of the length and is aligned again with your state standards, and then bring it into EdPuzzle, and in EdPuzzle create questions that go with it. Now I'll create another video that shows you how to do that, but the reason for that is we can get into some deeper level questions that rise up the higher levels of Bloom's taxonomy, and we're not just asking true, false, and multiple choice questions, which a lot of the assignments, they're available just in the Discover category of EdPuzzle. They are just multiple choice questions. And we want to make sure that we're adding a variety of question types and also that we're going to the higher level of Bloom's and we're not just getting recall level memory of questions when we assign a video to our students. So those are three best practices. Just again to review, watch the video, make sure that not only the video content but the questions are aligned with your state standards. Consider using EdPuzzle Originals because we have confidence that they are aligned with state standards. And then third, consider creating your own video or at least creating your own questions from a video that already exists that you could pull over from YouTube.